Kings, and welcome back to the Red Carpet Curls YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you my full tutorial, my wash day tutorial on how I achieve these beautiful day one curls thanks to a black owned brand by the name of Bourn Beautiful Naturals. I love this brand. I've been using this brand for over a year. It's an all natural black owned brand from the UK. So my UK ladies and gents, you finally have something that you don't have to pay ridiculous shipping and handling for. Today I'm going to introduce you to the brand, the owner, the mission, the products, the ingredients, and I just want to give you guys a quick reminder before we jump into the first step of this wash day tutorial is that all of the facts that I give you today, a breakdown of the ingredients of every product, including graphics and just my tips and real honest opinions on this brand, they're all available as a blog post on redcarpetcurls.com. okay, all you have to do if you're watching this on YouTube is click the link in the description box below. If you're watching on the website as part of the blog post, then you already found it, so don't worry about it. So let's just jump straight into how I like to start my Bourn Beautiful Naturals wash day, which is with shampooing, step one. So let's get to it. So here's how my hair looks before I start my wash day. It's been a few days, so since curly hair is generally dry and more susceptible to breakage, I like to use my Q hair steamer to properly hydrate and detangle my hair so that it's ready for the shampoo, so I'm not breaking any strands while trying to detangle. So here is my hair completely wet. I did dampen it a bit, but I like to go in if I'm not going to be doing in-shower videos. I like to continue to wet my hair for a bit just because water is so important for getting the shampoo to work. So here's the shampoo. It's the Moisture Silk Sulfate Free shampoo. Look at my face. I am not making that up. That shampoo smells flippin' amazing. Like, if you don't believe me, I dare you to buy this shampoo just so that you can see I am right. Any hoosers. It's a very runny consistency. I do like that in a shampoo. You can consider this a weekly low poo. As you can see, it's going to foam up a lot. The only reason it didn't foam up at first was because, like I said, I needed more water in my hair. But it's such a luxurious formula that it has slippery elm in it. It has hibiscus flower. So it's really giving you that deep clean feeling. What I love is that within the first 5 ingredients, because you know the first 5 ingredients of any label is what 80% of the product is made of. The first 4 ingredients are surfactants. So it may not be able to clarify your hair, but look at all the moisture in parts and it gives you a deep clean feeling. So when you pair this with a scalp brush, girl, my God, it's a nice deep clean feeling so that I don't have to go grabbing my clarifying shampoo so much, because you know the more you clarify, the more you take all the moisture out of your hair, and that's not good. It leaves your hair weak and susceptible to split ends and breakage. So I love using this shampoo once or twice a week, just because I love the bubbles. I love the hibiscus scent in this shampoo. It's just, it's goals, seriously. Bourn Beautiful Naturals is all about giving you the moisture you need. And let me tell you, this as a first step, bro, my God, bravo, Bourn Beautiful Naturals, seriously. So like I said, pair it with a scalp brush. The really thick moisturizing foam moisturizes and detangles your hair instantly. So I know whenever I use this shampoo, I'm not going to need to pre-poo beforehand because there's more than enough moisture in this one step. Now this is how I am coming out of the shower once I rinse that out. Yes, look at that beautiful shine. There's a lot of moisture in there. Considering my hair is really fine porosity and there's so much moisture already, like wow. So here's step 2. The Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. Yes, so deep conditioner is one of the most important steps in your wash day. I am adding a safe amount of heat using my Q hair steamer. You can see the steam coming out right there. I love the thick whipped consistency of this deep conditioner. It's literally perfect. Yes, look at that, girl. It smells good too. I know. But like I was saying, it's perfect for any hair type or texture. This deep conditioner leaves the hair feeling like silk. I know whenever I use this deep conditioner, my hair is going to be super bouncy, defined, and shiny. So as you can see, I'm going in by raking in this deep conditioner. I like to take my time and be really, really thorough to make sure each strand has the conditioner so that when I go in and use the steam, I'm making sure that that formula is penetrating it's most effectively, and it's most quickly, because let's be honest, wash day can take time. Nobody got that much time. So for wavy and fine hair, definitely use pea-sized amounts like I'm doing per section with heat. If you have thicker density hair or a tighter or more fragile hair type like type 4 hair, it's still perfect. Since it's so thick, it truly does take its time penetrating the strands, but it leaves them stronger, shinier, and healthier once you rinse out this product. So this deep conditioner is packed with pure coconut oil, so that's rich in vitamins C, E, B1, B3, B5, B6. This deep conditioner is going to nourish your hair with proteins from its rich fatty acid profile. It also contains shea butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, and silk protein to leave your hair super soft and luxurious. So as I told you, I really take my time with this deep conditioner, just because it's like I said, your deep conditioner is formulated to penetrate your hair to the deepest level, the cortex, so that it can strengthen and moisturize from within, so that your hair can get healthier. The elasticity increases, meaning your hair can stretch your hair strands, so it's more, it's stronger against breakage. Now I'm going to be putting on a shower cap to insulate the heat that my scalp naturally produces, so that for the rest of the 25 minutes I keep it on, it continues to work. Yes, so definitely check out that coconut cream deep conditioner. Okay, so here's how my hair looks coming out the shower. So much moisture. Now I'm going to go in and seal in that moisture with the Avocado Smoothie Rinse Out Conditioner. This was the very first product ever created in this line. It has a really nice light consistency. Consider it as silicone-free food for your hair, like a nutritious green smoothie, but for your hair. It's filled with great ingredients like slippery elm extract and fatty alcohols for slip. Amazing slip, by the way. It has antioxidants, hemp seed oil for barrier protection and anti-itch properties, and it has easily absorbed avocado oil. This rinse out conditioner will effortlessly detangle your hair and leave it feeling soft, smooth, and strong. And I love how much slip it has. Look at how easily my hair glides around my finger for finger curlers. I'm not creating any more tension because the formula has so much slip. So that's how my hair looks once I rinse out the conditioner. Now I know that my hair is protected and that moisture is staying. So now it's time to style using the Leave Me Be Leave-In Conditioner. I'm also going to be using the Curl Crush Flaxseed and Marshmallow Hair Gel. So the first step is adding more water. I can't stress this enough. Water is so important for keeping frizz away. Now I'm going to go in and use pea-sized amounts, as you can see. Well, that's a little bit of a quarter size just because it's a light conditioner. But for the most part, since this is not my first time styling, try pea-sized amounts to start. But I absolutely love how much moisture this lightweight conditioner gives me. It's glycerin-free, silicone-free, and coconut oil-free, so it's a perfect foundation for styling gels like the one I'm going to use right now. I love that the leave-in smells just like the other products. It's a really light hibiscus scent. And look at that shine it's imparting. That's because it's making sure my cuticle is sealed to keep that shine and moisture in. I love how easy any tangles I had just melt away, and it pretty much just, it's kind of like makeup primer. It primes the hair to take whatever style you're going to do. So now that my hair is fully covered with the leave-in, I'm going to be going in with the hair gel. I love that little jelly. Look at that. It's a fun consistency. You don't see that often. So I'm going to be raking this product into my hair. This is the Curl Crush Flaxseed and Marshmallow Gel. I'm a real big fan of gel. It's what's responsible for holds for fine hair like mine, so it's definitely a must. This is a medium hold gel, but it gives you maximum shine. It's a vegan flaxseed gel, which is going to give definition, shine, and softness without the crunch or the flakes. It's thick without leaving the hair filling weighed down, so the medium hold is filled with an infusion of plant-based extracts to help the curls pop. Curl Crush joins a small group of British-made gels specifically formulated for kinky curly hair. One thing I want to note about flaxseed and marshmallow, specifically for my porosity hair, this is how my hair reacts. These ingredients tend to suck up all the moisture in my hair, reducing the slip. So the way I correct this is by contributing more water as I style, or I use pea-sized amounts of the leave-in conditioner, as you see. And I put it on my fingertips and right over the gel. and that increases the slip once more. So I'm keeping the medium hold of the gel, but I'm adding more of the leave-in to these small sections to encourage whatever style I'm trying to do. So for this case, I'm doing finger coils. The reason I do finger coils is because, as I said earlier, this is a fantastic way to train your curls, okay? If you are just transitioning into the curly girl method, if you're not experiencing the definition that you're looking for, this is a fantastic way to train your curls to do so. So if I was just starting the curly girl method and my hair wasn't as healthy, I would be doing finger coils during my deep conditioning sessions, my rinse out conditioner, and my styling, because it's going to encourage the curl that this is how we curl. Okay, so the one trick for this gel I want to mention, if it does suck out all the moisture like it does for me, just go in with a little bit more of the Leave Me Be leave-in, since it's so light, and it complements it perfectly. It's going to get all that shine and moisture in there. So my last step is really just to scrunch once I'm done with the finger coils, because this also encourages more definition. Now this is how my fine hair looks once it's wet. I'm gonna go and dry it in this hair dryer that I have right here, and then diffuse the ends for about 5 minutes so that my hair is fully dry. And look at those results. I'm in love. Look at that shine. Look at that definition. It's flipping gorgeous. I absolutely love the results I get each and every time I use this line. Look at that curl. It ain't going nowhere for at least 2 to 3 days. Let me tell you, these products hold up nice. Bounce, definition. My protein moisture balance is set because there is protein in these products, specifically the deep conditioner. And I have bounce. Look at that definition. It's amazing. If you haven't already, you must check out Bourn Beautiful Naturals. Like, you must do your hair the favor. And this is not even the full line. I still have 3 other products that I'm going to show you in another tutorial coming, but this was just using the essential healthy hair kit wash day. Like, this was amazing. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was informational yet entertaining. I've been struggling with my hair for a few weeks now. It's been a little bit out of whack and I haven't been able to find what specifically my hair has needed. And listen, clearly my hair needed Bourn Beautiful Naturals, because look at that curl definition, bro. Stop it. Oh my God, I should marry myself. That's the kind of confidence Bourn Beautiful Naturals is instilling today, okay? If I could marry myself, I would. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to check out the blog post, and I will get started working on the refresh days using Bourn Beautiful Naturals, because we haven't even used all the amazing products yet. I still have more to show you. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great curl day, okay? And before you go, because you thought it was going to be that quick, no, it wasn't. Make sure that you are subscribed to the Red Carpet Curls YouTube channel, as well as the official website, redcarpetcurls.com, so you don't miss any future blog posts, videos, tutorials, whatever, so that you can have a full, in-depth curly curl method education platform. Okay, so till next time.